friends, my name is Dr. Evan Esquire, and as always, I'm here from Science Explorers. Give me a second with this guy. The wind wants it to blow down. There we go, that's how this guy works. It's like a wind sail. But today I have something very important to tell you. I need to tell you about the 3 states of matter.
Yay!
I mean the 3 laws of motion. Now the 3 laws of motion, they were, that was Sir Isaac Newton's baby. Now, he wasn't just some old guy a long time ago. He's one of the most famous scientists of all time. And, oh, he was having a wild one constantly. He was discovering things left and right. And what he loved the most was motion. 3 laws of motion. He was very proud of them, and they kind of relate to everything around us. When I say kind of, I mean it literally does apply to everything around us. It's about how things move and the motion of them. There you go. You know, the way things move, the way things interact with each other, and the way that the world works. So there's 3 laws of motion, and the definitions are: the first law of motion is an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. And an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. So you got your second law of motion now, and that's force equals mass times acceleration. And what that means, we'll get to it. And you have our third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So definitions in science and a lot of other studies can be intimidating sometimes. You know, they can be long and confusing. But what I like to do is put them into my own words and kind of apply them with what I have in front of me to help me get a better understanding of how it works. So let me see what I got in front of me. Let's see. All right, now that I got my favorite beach ball, we're gonna talk the 3 laws of motion, but we're gonna be using terms that we understand. So the first law of motion, let's go over that. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. An object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. So all that means is things will keep going until they're stopped. And things will stay stopped until they get going. All right. The second law of motion, force equals mass times acceleration. Now, mass is how big and strong something is, and acceleration is how much something's speeding up, and force is about how powerful, how overall powerful something is. So to measure my force without any acceleration, I'm just going to use how big and strong I am and push. And that's a good measure of how powerful I am without acceleration. When I add acceleration to my force, that means I have to get a running start to push this guy. All right, hey, how you doing? And you can see it goes much further. Now that brings us to our third and my favorite law of motion. For every action, there's an opposite and equal reaction. So when you throw something up, it comes down. So when I grab the beach ball and I throw it up, it comes back down. So that's the third law of motion. For reaction, there's an opposite and equal reaction. I broke my sunglasses. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. You can try this at home with a smaller beach ball, probably. And, be sure to like and share and favorite. I don't know how internets work. But, you know, be sure to send these out to all your friends. I love getting to share these fun lessons with all of you and saying the word fun. And, you know, as always, check back for more videos, hoping to do more. And as I like to say, do not forget to be kind to each other, especially during these times, because when we do what we can for each other, we all do our best. Now, Sir Isaac Newton, he had a great line about this. He says, "When I see far, it's because I am standing on the shoulders of giants." So we all need to work together. You can take that home with you, put it in your back pocket. As always, I'm Dr. Evan Esquire from Science Explorers. Have a nice day. Woo!